This is Shailesh Devdas Janbandhu from Department of BCom Computer Application, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. Today we discuss about how to create a group, stock category, unit of measures and the stock item. For this we should click on the tally icon on your desktop. Select work in educational mode and click on enter. To add stock group, we should click on inventory info menu from the gateway of tally. So select inventory info from gateway of tally and press enter. Here we have stock group. So stock group are the groups of companies whose products are available in our shop or in our business. So to create a stock group, we should click on stock group option from inventory info menu. Here the stock group menu will appear. Here we have two types of creations, that is single stock group and multiple stock group. When we create one by one stock group, that time use single stock group, and when we want to create multiple or more than two stock group or two or three stock group, that time we can use multiple stock group. So in single stock group, click on create option. The new screen will appear, and that screen is called as stock group creation screen. We have some options, that is name, alias and under. Under always be primary. The name of stock group should be the company, so we create the company name as a stock group, just like LG. Alias, okay. Already we have a stock group called LG, so we change it, the name Samsung. Okay. Alias we don't need, primary by default under, enter. So we create a Samsung stock group. Next one Dell, again press enter, under no, accept yes. So we create two type of stock group, that is Samsung and the Dell. So if you want to show how many types of stock groups are already created or how many stock groups are available in our company, so go to the stock group menu, select the display option. We get a list of stock groups which is available in our company, just like Dell, Intex, LG, Samsung. Okay. If you want to make changes to the particular stock group, go to the alter option. Click on alter option, select a particular or desired stock group and click OK. If you want to make changes, make the changes into the name option, just like LG, enter and accept. So this way we can make the changes into the existing stock group. Press escape key to go to the stock group menu. Again press escape key until you come to the gateway of tally screen. Second option is to create a category. Every product is categorized under a specific term. That term is called as a stock category. To activate stock category, press F11, that is company feature. In company feature, select the inventory feature. In inventory feature, we get inventory feature screen. Select maintain stock category and make it yes. Click enter until you prompted to save the changes. So press escape key to go back to the gateway of tally. Now if we click on inventory info menu, Now we have the option stock category. Stock category are the category of stock or product. Just like if we consider the shop has to be the hardware of computer system, that time we have monitors, keyboard, mouse, screens, printers, etc. So we should create that type of categories. To create a stock category, click on stock category option in inventory info menu. Here also we have two options, single stock category and multiple stock category. Click on create stock category. Here we have stock category creation screen. One thing, press escape key to go back and check how many stock category we have. Just like we have two types of stock category, monitor and mouse. So already created monitor and mouse cannot be created again. So escape key, create category printer. Alias, we don't need alias. Okay, primary, yes. CPU, a stock category name called CPU. We create a CPU. Press escape key to go back to the stock category option. Now to check how many categories we created, click on display menu or display option. We get a list of stock categories. Before in earlier we have only monitor and mouse. Now we have four type of categories, that is CPU, monitor, mouse and printer. So press escape key to go back to the gateway of Tally. Now before creating the stock item, we should create the stock unit of measures. To create a unit of measures, click on unit of measures option from the inventory info menu. Here we have again four options, that is create, display, alter and quit. First, display how many types of units we have, pieces. So we don't need to create, or we can create another one. To create another one, click on create option. We have two types of unit, that is compound and simple. Firstly, we create a simple unit. Symbol for the unit QTY. Formal name for the QTY QUANTITY. Quantity, no decimal places except yes. This way we can create the unit. Now if we display all the things or all units, we have pieces already, we have the pieces. Now we have quantity also. Okay, press escape key until the gateway of Tally. Now to create a stock item, click on the inventory info menu. Here we have some another ways. Next one is stock item. Stock item are the product which are available in our shop. So to create a stock item, click on create in single stock item. We have different type of options there, just like name, alias, under, primary, category, units, statutory information, opening balances, quantity, rate per unit and value. Just like we create a printer, a stock item of printer. So name of the printer, just like laser printer. Laser printer. Under LG. Okay, category for the printer, that is we created the categories printer. Pieces, here we use quantity. Number of rate of duty 2. Quantity, if you have the quantity already in shop, then provide the quantity 2, just like 2. Rate of per laser printer 7,500 per quantity, so 2 quantities called 15,000. Accept yes. Next one, dot matrix printer. Okay, we can create the monitor. So 15-inch monitor. We create the CPU. For Dell. So under the group Dell, category CPU, pieces, duty, if we don't have a quantity, consider we don't have a quantity, except yes. So this way we can create the stock item. So how many of stock items are available, we can display it by using the display option, just like 12-inch monitor, 16-inch monitor, main CPU, laser printer, mechanical mouse, OM, optical mouse, steel, etc. These are our stock item in our shop. Press escape key to go back. So this way we can create a stock item. For stock item, we should first create the stock group. After creating stock group, we should provide the stock categories. After categories, we should create the unit, and after unit creation, we can create different type of stock items. Thank you.